Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the app and OS have location and notification permissions so data updates reliably. Once done, open the home screen editor or the widget gallery and locate the weather widget you want to change. Tap and hold the widget and select Edit or Settings. This first actionable step exposes configuration options like location source, units, and refresh interval. You do this now, so subsequent choices apply immediately, and you avoid reverting later. Next, adjust the core data and visual settings. You should pick the most accurate location source, GPS for live tracking or manual for a fixed spot, and add additional cities if needed. Then choose units, refresh interval, and the data provider for forecast accuracy. These settings affect battery and data usage. For appearance, switch between compact and detailed layouts, select icon style, and toggle background transparency, so the widget fits your home screen design and readability. Finally, enable advanced options like weather alerts, tap actions, and quick shortcuts so you can jump into forecast details quickly. Once configured, force an update to verify data and appearance. Make sure to save or apply changes before exiting. If the widget fails to update, clear the app cache, restart the device, or reinstall the app. These steps often resolve stale data. If problems persist, double-check permissions, network access, and background refresh to restore reliable updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.